Hello from Slovenia again. I'm pouring right after that I did the pour with the dustpan. Dustpan, yeah. And I have some lovely drips, so I just think because I will use the same colors but different technique, I will just leave it and clean after. So I will layer my cup and I will use pearl white in between for some maybe nice effects, because it gives a nice effect. So I will just start with some cadmium yellow lemon and some pearl white, and I have vermilion hue, and I have cardinal red and alizarin violet and pearl white again. Okay, this is my cup, and I will kind of wander like that. Maybe I will just So I just didn't do like I planned, but I just went with the filling this time. Let's see how this will stretch out. Not happy with this, so I will just add a little more in the cup. This is so weird, but in the same time it's cool. I had to tilt a little more paint off because I have a ton of paint still. Oh, I see something. Go away. Won't come again another day. don't like this white part here. You know what I will do? I will try to throw all the paints kind of in a dirty cup, because I still don't. I will add quite a lot of pearl white on the bottom, and I will pour the rest of my paints that I still have into this white, because I just don't know. Want to stretch a little more these lines, and now I will tilt it back to the middle and leave it. Okay, I'm done. Sometimes you need 4 pours to get one that you like. Here it is. Probably colors are not for everyone, but I love them. See how cloudy this looks. The details are just gorgeous. I love some cells from pearl white. Here they are more visible here. Oops. Love them. And I believe that it will dry really nice, so stay tuned for the dry results. So here is a close-up of the dry results. It took me quite some time to get here, but I love the final results. Maybe if the all would be normal, I wouldn't even publish this video, but last week Raiko has some heart problems, and I'm just a bit out of myself these days and don't paint as much. So sorry for those who don't like to see pouring over and over and don't want to I don't know who hate this. Some people just don't like to see, they just like to see the perfect results at the first time, but sometimes it's just not like that. But that doesn't mean that you can't get a beautiful result. Like this painting, I love it. So hope for some better days for us, and see you soon. Bye.